Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of loading ramps, and I have to say, we found a gem.
This is the best ATV truck ramp available, and it's brought to you by HOUGEET. Let's jump right into it.
Now, what makes these ramps stand out from the competition? Well, let's start with their construction.
Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, these ramps are not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. And with their pure hand welding technology, you can trust that these ramps are built to last. One of the features I love about these ramps is their foldable design. They're incredibly portable and take up minimal space when not in use. So whether you're loading up your ATV, dirt bike, or lawnmower, these ramps are easy to store and transport. Safety is paramount when it comes to loading ramps, and HOUGEET has taken that seriously. With a reverse barrier design on the ramp surface, these ramps provide extra grip to prevent your machines from slipping during transportation.
Plus, the 3 rubber-tipped fingers on top ensure that your pickup truck stays protected. Now, let's talk about versatility.
These ramps are ideal for transferring any 4-wheeled vehicle to a truck trailer. Whether it's a dirt bike, motorcycle, ATV, or lawnmower, these ramps can handle the job with ease. Plus, with a load capacity of 2,650 pounds, you can trust that these ramps can handle the heavy lifting. Another standout feature of these ramps is the adjustable support legs. When used, these legs increase the load capacity of the ramps, providing even more stability and security during loading and unloading.
So there you have it, folks.
The HOUGEET ATV loading ramps with support legs for pickup truck are, without a doubt, the best ATV truck ramps on the market.
With their lightweight, foldable design, heavy loading capacity, and unmatched durability, these ramps are a game-changer for anyone in need of reliable loading equipment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy loading!